Hello and welcome to this short video about Jaguar XK8 changing the front fog light bulbs to LED and DRLs. This is video 26 in my series of XK8 videos. In this video I'm going to show how I changed my front fog light bulbs, how I found an LED bulb that fit, and how I changed the function of the fog light to also incorporate daytime running lights. Thanks to Rick Astley. Okay, so first of all I was thinking the front fog lights, they don't really get used a lot. How about using for daytime running lights? I've seen a video by Rick Astley and that really inspired me to have a go at changing them myself. So first of all, I tried to find a very simple H1 bulb that would be a straight swap rather than having to make up wires and what have you. So I found this bulb on the internet. It was 55mm long, 9mm wide. It was a H1 LED 24 SMD bulb. It's very similar size to the H1 that comes out. CAN bus is not relevant for the fog lights. There's not part of the CAN bus system, so it won't give you an error message either way on the dash, whichever bulb you use. Okay, so in order to change the fog light bulbs, I turn my wheels opposite lock to get at this area here in the inner wheel, just in front of the fog lights. You can see the hatch here. You turn this central spigot around and then flip this little catch up and this panel or the cover will come out. Then reveals the hole. You'll see actually the wash white bottle. You poke your hand inside there and you should be able to feel the back of the fog light. Now what you're reaching for is this is the back of the fog light, and you can see the holder here, the bulb holder. You rotate the whole, you grab this bulb holder, rotate it clockwise. It doesn't rotate very far and it should pull straight out. Get the bulb and the holder out into where you can see it, and you basically just unplug the bulb holder from the harness or the loom. So you pull this clip up and pull the bulb holder out. Then I got it on the bench. You can see the H1 bulb plugs directly into its holder. In order to get it out, you need to lever underneath the bulb, and it should just lever out. And just push in your new H1 bulb. In this case, the steel the tab that fixes into the bulb holder was slightly smaller, so they're a little bit loose going in, but still make good contact. Again, the assembly now is the reverse of disassembly, so click the bulb holder back onto the loom and then basically get the bulb holder located in the lamp assembly and turn it clockwise. Okay, so this was the operation and comparison, the halogen light to the LED. The LED light obviously was 2000. It's a 2000 bulb, so it's very white light compared to the old one. It was a lot duller. I was actually worried at the time the LED bulb might be very bright, in fact too bright. In fact, it was the opposite. It was very dull, so I'm a little bit disappointed with the bulb. So then I moved on to actually creating the DRL function. So I'd watched the Rick Astley video on his channel to do this, and I created my converting DRL conversion wire using these 1N 5408 diodes, some shrink wrap and some 24 AWG wire. I soldered it up like this with a red wire on the black end of the diode and the black wire on with the white stripe end of the diode, coated in shrink wrap, and then connected the wire as per Rick's instructions. My car was a 2006 car, so it wired up like this. You can see Rick's PDF link there on the bottom. I'll also put that in the comments if you'd like to link directly to the instructions. The wire looks like this. It's very neat. You can hardly notice it. Not going to provide any shorts. If you have a 2003 wire, as Rick explains, the diodes, the relays are located slightly differently, so you need to link it as per his other diagram here. Again, it's on this link to his PDF. Now, when I tested them, it looked something like this. Well, it looked like this, so not overly happy with it. Could do with a little bit brighter. So the DRL function works when you put the headlights on. The fog lights go off. You can actually also use the fog lights as per normal. So all that works great, but the LED lamps, I think, need to be a little bit brighter. So that's my next stage. So I'm going to look for a brighter small LED lamp. I'll keep you informed how I get on with that. Okay, hopefully that's helpful to you in changing your fog lights or upgrading to LED bulb. At least you need to know you need the very short type. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you'd like to see more XK8 videos.